Okay. So to me, what makes a customer onboarding experience like really, really critical is the fact that at that point is they have a lot of fear and it's a really huge trust building point between a customer and the vendor or entity that they looking to partner with. And in that moment, there is a lot of trust building that is able to happen and really sets the basis for interactions to come. So, from a successful onboarding experience, you're then able to really set the tone for all the other interactions that you may want to have with that customer. And further to that, it really solidifies the trust from the customer in you that you know what you're doing, they made the right decision, and then they're going to be okay going forward.